Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to add pleats to the back of your skirt or to the slit part of your skirt. Do you get it? And so I already have the back of my skirt here, and this is what you are going to use for the pleats. Now this skirt is a dartless skirt, and I have a video on how to cut a dartless skirt, so you can watch it. Do you get it? And this is zip along one side. Do you get it? So I'm going to take off these pins. So I've taken off the pins. So this is my slit, the opening side. This is it, you see. This is the opening side. Okay, and when I measure from here, the opening side down, I have 19.5, or you can make it 20. I will reduce the side and then make it 20 inches. Do you get it? So it's going to be on top this way. So let's see the 20 inches. The 20 inches is going to be here. You can, it all depends on how long you want it to be. Then I'll secure here. Do you get? I'll secure it very well. But on this one, I'm going to run stitches here to close it. I'm going to close it later. We'll open it, but I'll secure this point very well. This is what you're going to use for the pleats at the back. Do you get it? Now what I have here, I've folded the down parts, and instead of using the machine to run stitches on top, I didn't want the color of the thread to show, so I did hemmings here. Do you get it? So this one is going to be inside. And so what I'm going to do is, what I have here, the length is more than 20. The length is like 21.5. You can have 20.5. Do you get it? You can have 20.5 or 21. It's okay. Do you get it? Okay. So, and the width is usually 15 on fold. But what I have here is 18. So when I open up, it's going to be 36. So 15 on fold, when you open up, that is going to be 30. Do you get it? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sew this, then we will continue. So I'm done joining it. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is, let's measure where the 20 will be. So this is where it's going to be, and this is what we are going to use for our pleats. So what I'm going to do is, this is the right side because I folded this side, and so this becomes the wrong side. So this right side is going to meet this. This is the zip line, you see. So it's going to meet it this way, and I'm going to join it on a 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch. Okay. Then I'm going to take this side also, and join it to the other zip allowance, you see. So I will sew it from the down, okay, and also join it the same way, 1/2 inch. Now before you join this, make sure that you put this together, iron this very well, and get the middle of it. Do you get it? Get the middle, put it together this way, and then iron to get the middle. Create a line, you see, put it together, iron, and get the middle. And so I will do it that way, and then join it the way I said, this way, and then we'll continue. So I've joined it. Now this is the middle of the fabric, you see. So I'm going to open it up this way and let the middle meet the middle of the skirts. Do you get it? So this is the zip allowance, okay, the middle. So this middle meeting each other, and then it's going to be like this, you see. So at the end of the day, it's going to be equal on each side. What we are going to do is to iron this and create another line here, iron here and create another line. Do you get it? So at the end of the day, I did knitting at the upper part and then did knitting at the edges to here and the other side. Do you get it? So it reduced the extra allowance that I added, and so at the end of the day, this is where the actual length is. Do you get it? Okay, so you should have at least 0.5 extra on top. Do you get it? Okay, so we are going to iron next. Okay. So when you are ironing, make sure you iron very well to create a line, because the line is going to serve as a guide. Do you get it? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this place with a pin to hold it in place, and then I'm going to bring this line here, the middle here, you see the middle here, to meet exactly the middle of this, to place it on top to be exactly at the middle, you see, exactly here, you see. Okay, and I'm going to fold it on top this way. Okay, let me take the pin and then hold it this way. Okay, so this is it, and this in the middle this way is going to be like this, you see. Okay, like this, you see. Okay, then I'm going to bring this one also, the middle meeting them at the middle of the skirts, you see, this way, you see, and that is also going to come exactly this way. So we are going to iron on top. You get it? So let's iron on top. So after pressing, you see we have 1, 2. We have 2 lines, and we have 1 line here, another line here. Same with this. So the next thing to do is I'll bring this one here. So this is the middle. We are going to create another pleat using this, the middle here, and I'm going to bring it to the middle this way. You see, this is the middle, and then place it on top this way. Let me iron it in place because this fabric is very thick. Then this one also in the middle. Place it in the middle this way. You see? Then we are going to fold it on top this way. And let's iron this also this side. So the next thing to do is to place it this way, fold it this way, you see. And so we have this well done. See, we are going to do the same thing for this side also. Okay, so here is it now. Because my fabric is a very thick fabric, I'm going to leave it like that. If not, I won't be able to pleat more. It's a very thick fabric. But if your fabric is not that thick, you can still go ahead and have more pleat. Do you get it? Because this, if you want to have extra pleats, you can still go ahead and have it. Follow the same principle as we did, and then fold it and pleat it. Do you get it? But I'm going to leave this as it is because my fabric is a thick one, so I won't be able to pleat it again. I won't be able to pleat it again. Okay, so make sure you iron very well and create the pleat, especially if your fabric is as thick as mine. Make sure you iron it very well. So now the next thing to do is to secure this side. Do you get it? Secure it. So to secure it, I'm going to sew this down. I'm going to sew this part down. Then we'll continue. Okay guys, so this is it. You see, I'm done securing it. So the next thing to do is to take the middle part here, and then you see, so you see, well secured. So let me turn it for you to see. You see, so the next thing to do is we are going to take this middle off. We are going to take it off. So I've taken the thread, and so this is what we have. You see, this is what we have. We have our pleats in the middle inside. You see, looking all beautiful. You see, you see. So this is the pleats we have here. See, so this is how you add a pleat to your pencil skirt. Very simple and easy. You can have the pleat fabric wider than what I had. Mine was 36. You can have 40. That's the width, 40, or even more than that, so that you can pleat more. If you want more pleat, then you need to have your fabric to be wide. But this was okay, or this is okay for me. So you see, So thanks so much for watching. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye bye.